This is Team 34, and we have designed and developed our system which we call QView. Currently, the NHS experiences excessive wait times for patients calling into GPs, and patients are completely unaware about what kind of wait time they can expect every time they call. Receptionists face a high workload and spend extended periods of time speaking to patients, resulting in queues of patients piling up. Furthermore, receptionists are unable to visualize the entire queue of callers they're faced with, resulting in missing or being unprepared to deal with patients with specific conditions. The current process is that a patient will call a GP practice and will speak to a receptionist, before being passed on to a GP to solve the patient's problems. QView was designed to act as a solution for the problems that arise from the traditional GP calling experience. With QView, patients can be attended to much faster and can immediately access a virtual queue via a link from texting their GP. They can skip straight to solving their queries, cutting out the need to be on the phone with the receptionist. Receptionist workload is also reduced as they can attend to the same volume of patients, if not more, with less time per patient. The system allows patients to access a bespoke online service run by their GP practice via a simple message. The system will also have access to a collection of common links, PDFs from the clinic, custom forms, and practice documents that will be available for patients based on their queries. And the fact that patients will not need to download an app, only have web access, is much more inclusive. The system will keep access logs of the local QView site for each practice.
Now I will log in to Receptionist. On this page, I can configure all the room links I will send to my callers. I can create one by myself, or I can import CSV files. Here's an template CSV file. It got all the links here. I can just import it. And all the links are imported, and I can use them to send to the callers.
So I can text this Twilio link. It will reply, giving me a link to the system, and it takes me into the first screen. I'm then entered into this screen where I can input my first name, my surname, and my date of birth, and click submit. I'm then into the queue. I can see what position I am in the queue, and then I can enter a description and click submit. It then comes up here, and I can also see a page down here with various news articles that the practice may want to show me. I can also configure what language I would like to see the page in.
Callers details appear on my screen. I can see that the head is put in bold because we are using Google NLP services to make the important entities in bold. I can send him the links I configured, so I can send him this patient link, and I can also add a message to him. And I can send this message without the link, or I can save and close and send this message along with the link. Now I will send the message along with the link to this caller.
And so I can see this page. I'm presented with the message from the GP, and I can then click the link, and it takes me to the page.